Okay, I'm back. Let's try to dive some more into this. I guess the next while is gonna be me underneath the hood of this vehicle trying to look like a freaking idiot plugging these plugs in, just trying to figure out where they go and make sure they're right. I try to, every time I even put stuff on here, I always try to make sure I'm correct, make sure I'm right, read up, show y'all the best that I can. So I'm gonna try again. I kind of look like the guy that walks around the car saying, "Would you just look at it? Would you just look at that?" So yeah, me and this car are starting to have a love-hate relationship, and it's not the rest of it's bad. It's just this wiring. Just trying to make sure that everything's plugged in correct and whatnot. That's why I kind of wonder some days what the heck I'm doing. So alright, so the diagram is saying that there's something that's supposed to go into it. Look at this speedometer real quick. Go. Why does it smell so bad? Ew. That stinks. You stink, car. You need a bath. And this is my first restore. Like I said in the earlier videos, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm learning as I go. Where did the piece go? This just fell apart. Cool, more stuff for me to fix. I'm gonna put y'all on pause and probably stop this video. I've gotta look something up real quick. Hang on.